Before you dive into investing, understanding your personal risk tolerance is essential for making confident choices. This step-by-step guide will help you evaluate your own risk profile and avoid costly mistakes driven by emotion. By the end, you'll feel more empowered and prepared to take control of your financial future safely. Everyone's comfort level with risk is unique, shaped by experience, goals, and personality. Identifying your risk tolerance is the first step toward a balanced investment approach. We'll begin by defining what risk tolerance actually means and why it matters for your personal financial plan. Risk tolerance reflects how much uncertainty or market fluctuation you can emotionally and financially handle. It isn't about bravery, it's about making investment choices that fit your reality and preferences. The finance coach is ready to walk you through the process to determine your own safe boundaries. Let's start by evaluating your financial situation, which forms the foundation of your risk profile. The finance coach will guide you to assess your income, expenses, debts, and emergency savings on a simple, easy-to-use worksheet. This initial inventory helps determine what risks you can realistically manage, setting the stage for wiser decisions. Next, consider your investment goals. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or an upcoming expense? Each goal may require a different risk approach. The finance coach encourages you to prioritize these targets on another sheet, visually organizing goals to clarify which ones can accept more risk and which demand caution. Now, explore your emotional response to potential losses and gains through a practical questionnaire designed to reveal your genuine comfort levels. Honest answers will help align your investment choices with your true risk tolerance. By finishing this self-reflection, you lay a solid foundation for consistent decision-making, no matter what the markets do. With your financial profile, goals, and emotional reactions outlined, it's time to calculate your risk score. The finance coach demonstrates how to enter answers into a gentle digital interface, instantly translating them into an easy-to-read evaluation. This summary will guide your investment strategy with confidence and clarity. Now that you understand your risk tolerance, learn how to match investments that fit your personal comfort and financial plan. With the coach's guidance, you'll see examples of diversified portfolios, each tailored for a specific risk score. This approach reduces anxiety and sets you up for long-term, stable progress. Remember, risk tolerance isn't static. It can change as your life evolves. Schedule regular check-ins with yourself or a coach, using these tools to reassess and update your profile. Staying proactive ensures your investments always align with your shifting priorities and emotional well-being. Mastering your personal risk tolerance isn't about perfection. It's about self-awareness and preparation. By following these steps, you avoid emotionally driven choices and maximize your investment potential with clarity. If you found this guide helpful, tap subscribe for smarter, more confident money management every week, guided by approachable expertise.